Let's see who I pick this time. Hello CoolCrafters! Welcome to my YouTube channel, MimiBits CoolCraft. As what I've shown you before on my previous video, I had picked one of your requests randomly, and today I'm going to do this request challenge by making 2Pm Nichkhun Plush Pendant. So, are you ready to watch the making process? Let's get started! For the face, I use Velboa fabric and of course white felt for the base, so I can sew the face and the hair easier. As usual, I use felt fabric for the eyes and glued them with a basic paper glue stick. This time, I use felt fabric for the hair because it's easier to cut the shape of the bangs compared to Velboa. And then, you can sew the face with backstitch or running stitch method. So this is going to be a round plush. I use Velboa for the body and then I paste it to the face with an all-purpose adhesive glue. You can use a glue gun as well, but be careful, don't put it too much because it will make the fabric stiff and it will be hard to sew. You can sew the plush with sewing machine and you can sew it by hand as well by using backstitch method. I left a little gap on the stitching so I can flip it inside out. And then I stuffed the plush with polyester fiber. I'll put the link down below on how you can get these materials and how to stuff the plush properly. After I'm done stuffing, I sew the gap between the fabric with ladder stitch method. I also use felt fabric for the ears, hands, and feet. And I glued them with an all-purpose adhesive glue, or you can use hot glue as well. Yay, it's done! It's so cute and so easy to make. You can even make all 2Pm Miyazu characters to be a plush pendant or plush charm like this. Check the description down below if you want to get the pattern. Thanks for watching, give thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video!